Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you all having a beautiful morning. Yes. I am going to walk over to the other side of the garden and I'm going to give you an update on my ant problems. Yes. Come on. So this is a update on this pot that was filled with ants. I should have did that in the first place instead of using my grits. Hello everyone, this is Linda and my little cousin is in the garden with me. Say hello, Dunda.
Hello everyone.
You don't want to show your face? You want? I can show you?
Hello.
That's my cousin Dooney, y'all.
Y'all enjoy my cousin's garden.
Yeah.
It's so organic.
Yeah.
She is teaching me how that my garlic's coming out.
All right now, Dooney. All right, guys. So check this out. I want to show you all, give you all update on the ants in the pot, right? So you all know that I put the grits in here, right? So I waited a day later, came out, and look, here's a picture of it right here. So I seen some ants carrying the grits around, y'all. I don't think the grits work for me, all right? So I went back to what I knew that worked. So my beautiful family, the Louisiana gardening family, I tried his method before and I know it worked. So what I did was I went out in my front yard. I found me a nice healthy ant pile and I put a shovel of it in here. Here's a picture of it right there. And this is them today. Now I've been digging all around up in here showing my little cousin because my little cousin brought me something. Yeah, y'all. So all the ants is gone. So thank you to the Louisiana gardening family. Yes. So listen, the way to kill the ants is ant to ant. When you have ants, go invite other ants in and yeah, everybody gonna leave. Yeah, but listen, I'm gonna link his video in the description box. You all go check his channel out, all right? Okay, now let's get back to what my little cousin brought for me. All right, cousin, what you brought me? What you brought me? Yeah, so she brought me, I lost my aloe vera plants during the fall, but she brought me these guys, and I have 2 little ones. Oh, I have 3 little ones. Look, 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 look. Yeah, so now I have some healthy, oh, look at those roots, y'all. Healthy aloe vera I'm going to plant in this pot here today, right now. So give me a second, y'all.
That's what I'm doing, going to my inside.
All right, guys, so here we go. I planted my aloe gifts from my cousin and from Jackie. Jackie is my cousin. Okay, you tell everybody who Jackie is.
Jackie is my best friend. We've known each other for 40 years.
Yeah.
She knew Linda needed aloe vera, and she bought me aloe vera, and she bought Linda aloe vera. What a beautiful green.
It is so sweet. So I want to
beautiful.
I want to thank you, Jackie. Now I gotta send Jackie something, right? Yeah, I know I ain't sending Jackie that.
Nothing like that.
But anyway, guys, so this is my aloe vera, and I am so happy that I have it. I want to thank you, Jackie. Thank you, Dooney.
Welcome.
Thank you to the Louisiana gardening family, because all the ants are gone.
And pot ready for
That's that pot ready, baby. That pot ready.
Pretty.
Yeah.
It looks pretty, Linda.
It is gorgeous. Isn't it gorgeous?
Yes, it is.
Yes, man. Yes.
It's gonna sprout all over the place too.
Yes, it is. Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
I'm
All right, guys. So I would like to have a giveaway. Yes, I like to have a giveaway. So it's been a while since I've had a giveaway. and I wanted to give this at this time. So it's nothing huge. I just want to thank all of my new subscribers. I want to thank all of you that have been with me for a while and just hanging in there with me, and just stopping by every now and then and spending a little time with me. Thank you so much. So let me show you this. This is my food scale. Let me bring this down. It's already down. Okay. This is my food scale. I've been having this one for a while, and I love it. I love it. But this is a very new food scale that I ordered, and I got it yesterday. And this is what I would like to give away, so you all can weigh those big tomatoes when you all make those big harvests, Yeah. Listen, guys, it's nothing huge. It's just to say thank you. So it is a Conair digital food scale. It's really cool. I like it, and I hope you like it too. And I would like to give this away in my giveaway. Also, to the winner of the giveaway, there will be a little something extra, a little lanyard, Yeah, but I'm going to wait to see who it is, just so I can make it very personal for you. But if you would like to be in the drawing to win this Conair digital food scale, all I like for you to put in the comments is weigh me. That's it. Just weigh me. Yeah. And I'm going to have the drawing come May 4th. May 4th will be the drawing for this, and a personal little lanyard, y'all. Yeah. All right, guys. So this is a tomato plant that never died. I planted this tomato plant last spring, and this is its first tomato right there. Yeah. It had lots and lots of blooms, just blooms going crazy. Yeah. But this is the first of its tomatoes. Yeah, got a tomato. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm looking forward to it. Now, what is the variety of this tomato? I would not know, but hopefully, as she gets bigger, she will tell us who she is. Yeah, I hope she will. Yup, she's beautiful. We had freezes. Yeah, we had freezes. We had lots of cold weather, lots of rain, wind. Yeah, she's been through it, y'all, but she hung in there. So, yeah, I'm gonna take good care of her. Yeah. This baby wanna live. She wanna live and produce or reproduce. Yeah, and I want her to. Alright guys, so here are my white potatoes. The same day I purchased these potatoes, yeah, I planted them. So this is in a smaller pot, and this one is in a much bigger pot. I think I have 5 potatoes here, 4 potatoes here, I'm not sure, but yeah, they're in there. And as you can see, they are doing well. Doing really good. So that's my potato update. White potatoes. Yes. And here is an update on my brown turkey figs. that the backyard gardener sent me. She sent me these two fig cuttings back in November. Yeah, when she sent them to me, they were just plain, no leaves, and she gave me instructions on how to care for them. And this is where we are today. So both of them are doing well. They had much more leaves, but they are outside. It's very windy over here. They are like under trees, partial shade. Let me say that it's a partial shade they're under. But I think they like this area. They're doing well. So I want to thank the backyard gardener, and my brown turkey fig cuttings are doing well. Yes, thank you. I want to thank you all for stopping by my channel this morning. I hope you all having a beautiful Friday. Yeah, I hope you're having a beautiful day. Have a great weekend. Yeah. And if you want to be in the drawing, please just remember to put Way Me in the comments of this video. Yeah, it would be cool. All right, guys. Y'all have a great Friday. I'm going in. Yep, I'm going in for the day. I'm tired. All right, guys. Later, y'all.